Isn't he cute? He's a big old rooster. Our hand-fed bar rock. How big she is. Wow. Our reds. Our Araucana. I have 4 Araucanas. 3 reds. 2 bar rock. A rooster. And next Saturday we think we're getting 3 more black silkies that are about the same age as all the rest of the girls. So, we're hoping. We're hoping. You got one more last yodel here for me? Come on. You got a yodel for me? Cecil. Come on. There you go. No. Come on. There. He's getting better at it. It's louder. It's clearer. He's serious.